I'm keeping my eye on the wasp over there. So you know when a job is so big, you don't even know where to start? We've had some days that were so freaking hot that it was really difficult to be in here. So I did some of the painting and repair on the old plastic. I'm keeping my eye on the wasp over there. And for example, that is the air conditioner that actually works. So I have taken that and the sink that was in here, which was an old yellow plastic sink, and repaired them, made them white again. So I will show you that and how I did that in this video. So I also painted the vent cover, or the filter cover, and put it together again. And I've got this little bit of yellow band here I need to fix, but I covered it again because I took it off before thinking about it, that these are still yellow on the inside. So I covered it up and I flipped it and painted from the inside, but it's still got that one slight yellow band, which it's not perfect, but it looks so much better than before. Wow, this stuff's amazing.